Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make over the inside of your car using essential oil and just a couple ingredients that you probably already have around the house. So maybe you're sensitive to harsh toxins and chemicals, those synthetic smells, and it makes you not feel really well. So I'm going to give you some easy tips on how you can make over your car today. I'm glad that you're joining us. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. All right, so the first thing that I want to tell you about is the travel set. So something easy that you can stick into your car and have it with you wherever you go is just a few essential oils that are needed anytime, you never know, on the go. So lavender essential oil, wild orange, peppermint, and aroma touch. They're little 5 ml small bottles that you can tuck into the side of your car or under your glove, in your glove box, so you can have it with you wherever you go. Those are just 4 basic essential oils that are amazing to have on the go with you in your car. The first thing you want to replace in your car is your air freshener. Yep, those horrible air fresheners, right? But if you want, you can even make your own and have the look and the smell, but without all the crazy chemicals. So you can cut out a little tree from felt. Yeah, go ahead and trace it out from felt, punch a hole and add some thread on there, some little hanging thread, and you'll be able to put that up in your car so you have the look without the crazy toxins. And just put a few drops of your favorite combination of essential oils right onto your tree shape, and there you go. Easy to do. If you like pine smells, you can use something like Douglas fir or Siberian fir, or maybe you like the orange citrus smell, so you've got wild orange or citrus bliss are great options. Just stick that on your little felt pad and there you go. All right, the next thing I want to replace in your car is the keychain. So I love having our doTERRA keychain with us wherever we go. We have our top 8 oils in a sample size so that wherever you go, if you get your hand slammed in the car door or your kids fall down, you've got something for you, or maybe upset stomach, headache, anything like that, you've got the powerhouse of essential oils right there in your car, and you never know when you're going to need them. I know it has helped me on many occasions over the last 8 years. If you are ready to get started with doTERRA essential oils, go to roxysaran.com. You can grab the travel set there or just a keychain. You can do that right at roxysaran.com. Okay, the next thing I want to help replace in your car and make over your car is the window cleaner. All right, so 4 ounces of vinegar in a spray bottle, 5 drops of lemon essential oil. I love doTERRA's lemon. It's pure. It's amazing. It comes from Italy. It smells amazing. And you'll just spray that on. So really super easy. 4 ounces of vinegar, 5 drops of lemon essential oil. Spray that onto your windows. Let it sit just for a couple moments and then wipe it off. Here's a trick for you. Wipe it off with newspaper. Yeah, newspaper will help get you a streak-free shine. So you're going to love that for your windows in your car. Okay, the next thing I want to replace is the chrome cleaner. Yeah, so equal parts vinegar and water, 5 drops of lemon essential oil, and that's the recipe per cup of liquid. All right, so equal part vinegar, equal part water, 5 drops of lemon. You'll spray that on your wheels and clean it off with a sponge or a rag. And there you go, you're gonna have super shiny chrome wheels. Okay, what about your tires? We can easily clean our tires with 2 parts baking soda, 1 part water. You'll form a little bit of a paste. Also, 5 drops of lemon. Lemon is an amazing degreaser. It'll help break down all the gunk that is accumulated on there. You'll work that into a paste onto the tires. Use a little scrub brush and then let it sit just for a couple minutes and rinse it off. It'll be good to go. You're going to love the way your tires look while utilizing that amazing paste. And it's super easy to make. We have all these ingredients right there at our home, and it's going to be non-toxic. All right, if you are ready to get started with doTERRA essential oils, go to roxysaran.com. We would love to help you there. Join the oily family. Or if you just want to purchase lemon oil, you can do that right at roxysaran.com. Okay, so let's shift gears into the interior. An interior protectant, 1 cup of olive oil, 5 drops of lemon, and you can put that in a spray bottle or a bowl. You'll just clean it with, wipe it down with a clean cloth on your dashboard or any plastic or vinyl, and then just wipe off any excess oil with another clean cloth. You're gonna love the way it smells and looks. And again, we have these ingredients already at home, so it's super easy. All right, what about the carpet and upholstery stain remover? Okay, I know with kids, we get stuff everywhere. It's like, where did all of these spots come from? Well, 1 part vinegar, 2 parts baking soda, 5 drops of essential oil, which I love to use lemon. You can use Purify. Those are excellent choices. You can work that into any stain with a little toothbrush or a small scrubbing brush. Just be sure to be gentle because you don't want to, affect the area too much and get it piles or anything like that. Okay, so 1 part vinegar, 2 parts baking soda, 5 drops of essential oil. Get that into a paste, work it into your stain, allow it to dry, and then you can vacuum it up. For really stubborn stains, you might need to treat it more than one time. All right, what about the interior of the car? I like to do equal parts of vinegar and water, 5 drops of essential oil, and you can spray that on any vinyl, plastic, or leather surfaces that might need cleaning. You can allow it to soak in and then wipe it off. I do recommend that you test a small area first just to make sure that it's completely safe for your particular car. All right, so check that out. Okay, last thing I like to replace in the car because I always have dry hands and my lips. So I love using hand lotion. I have Citrus Bliss hand lotion in my car with me all the time. It's a small travel size and it's easy to do that, and the lip balm. So those are my top hacks for making over your car. Be sure to go to roxysaran.com if you're ready to join the Oily family, or if you just want to purchase 1 or 2 things, go to roxysaran.com. Our next video, we will be talking about what if you have some occasional pain and what you can do for that. So be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like so you don't miss our next video. Have a great day.